Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today let's just talk about how can we go for the 2D Pocket. In the past video I just talked about the 2D adaptive clearing for the open paths, but for the closed path you have to go for the pocket milling. So the first thing which comes in mind is go to the cam and setup. You have to go for the milling operation, and the manufacturing coordinate system is just perfect for me, right? Z is just output, and I want to select the actual body that I just modeled. In the stock I just want to select the relative size box and navigation stock, and I want to hit OK. The next thing which come in mind is just to go for the 2D Pocket, and N2 you need to select perfect tool, right? Like this time I'm not going to edit this tool 10 flat and mill, but I just want to define 20 mm of diameter of tool, and I want to accept it and select this tool for now. See, this is a bit bigger tool than the first one that I just selected, and once you define the 1200 RPM, the rest of the things will Fusion 360 automatically adjusted for you. In geometry, I just want to select this pocket, right? Chain, close boundary. See, 2 chains, and rest of the things are not that much of important right now. In heights, the tool will be retracted up to 5 mm. And as you can see over here, the retract height, and I will hit OK. See, so this is how you can do is just to go for the adaptive clearing, right? If you just expand the program, the tool I selected, the work coordinate system, and these are the 2 paths. So hope you enjoyed the tutorial. You can go for any of the pocket operation, and then whatever you can program. Thanks for watching.